All right, so I'm using 1 can of limeade concentrated and I let it thaw out. I'm gonna grab my whipped cream cheese. We're gonna use this whole 12-ounce container. I'm using a little bit more cream cheese than I did last time because I want it to be extra creamy. That lime flavor really packs a punch, so we've gotta make sure we, balance it out with this cream cheese. Okay, that looks good. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some Cool Whip. This is gonna be such a yummy and easy dessert, just a couple ingredients. Okay. We're gonna add about 3/4 of this container right into our bowl. You're gonna want your Cool Whip thawed out as well. I just got this from the store, so it didn't have that much time to thaw out, but I'm gonna make it work because this is gonna be so good. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and whisk these flavors up. Just get that limeade really mixed in with the cream cheese and the Cool Whip. This is gonna be a nice and fluffy spring dessert. You can use any concentrate you want. I've done this with orange concentrate and it's like an orange cream pie. This is gonna be more like a key lime pie and it's gonna be so good. But we're not making pies this time. We're making something super cute and super special for the Easter holiday. Just make sure to give this a nice whisk. Get that limeade blended in perfectly. That limeade is a little bit clearer than the orange, so that color won't show as much, but the flavor is gonna be so good. Cool Whip didn't give me any trouble. Nice and fluffy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my fun champagne glasses, because that's what we're serving this in today. It's gonna be so good, you guys. Okay. I'm just gonna show you my 6 servings and we're just gonna scoop it right in there, just like that. 2 scoops should be just enough. Oh yeah, look how creamy that's gonna be. 1 and 2. So you could put this in little pie crust or a big pie crust, but I wanted to make kind of like a parfait this time. And it's gonna be so fun once we take these out of the fridge because it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, almost done here. 1 and a 2. And you could also do less scoops if you want smaller servings, but I find that 1 to 2 scoops is the perfect serving of this delicious, creamy limeade dessert. Okay, last one, you guys. Such a quick and easy dessert. Anyone can make this. It's just the 3 ingredients and you got a tasty limeade creamy treat. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna pop these in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, these have been in the fridge. Time to add a little bit of color to this. I'm gonna go ahead and zest some lime on top of these for some extra flavor and some color. Add that beautiful bright green. Oh yeah, see, that's what we want. And it's gonna add some extra lime flavor because you can never have too much of that. Okay. Get a little bit more on there. Beautiful. All right, and of course you gotta add some Reddi-wip to this because that's just what's gonna complete this dessert. And we are not gonna be using spoons for these. We're actually gonna grab some graham crackers that I split up just in 4ths, and they're gonna pop right in there just like this. Look how cute those are coming out. All right, and then our beautiful spring desserts are ready to enjoy. I gotta try this right now. Just grab your graham cracker, grab a nice scoop. It's good, you guys.